I have two Antminer S19s, 95 terahash, mining Bitcoin, getting paid out in Dogecoin. One I have on Unmineable, the other one I have on Mining-Dutch. Both of them are running at about 2,000 watts, around 75 terahash, because I don't really want to push it, full blast and watch my power bill go up like it usually does. Or when I was documenting this information, it was estimating that my 75 terahash unit on Unmineable would get about 65 Doge a day. As of right now, it's showing about 63 Doge a day. That varies based on activity on the Bitcoin network. Mining-Dutch, the same type of thing. You mine a specific algorithm, but Mining-Dutch will actually merge mine when applicable. So SHA-256, the Bitcoin algorithm, can be merge mined with other SHA-256 tokens or coins. Anyway, Unmineable doesn't do that. It just mines Bitcoin, I believe, and pays you out as it pays you out. So for Unmineable, we can see I'm getting 65-ish Doge per day. On Mining-Dutch, I actually went through and averaged these up per day for the last week or so, a little bit longer than a week. And I came up with 72.86 Dogecoin per day on that one machine. Great, you get about 10% more using Mining-Dutch than you do using Unmineable. But here's the kicker. I've got a Mini Doge 2 as well, Gold Shell Mini Doge 2. Gets about 450 mega hash. Same type of thing here. So I had it on Mining-Dutch for a while, merge mining, and I had it on Unmineable. Unmineable pays out a little bit better with its native algorithm. So it's a script miner, and it's paying out a script coin. Of course, it's going to pay a little bit better. So for a while there, I had this miner actually in my bedroom, keeping it warm while it was like -15 up here in Chicago. And it did fine, but throughout the night, I heard when it would change different coins because it would like ramp up, ramp down, ramp back up again. Sometimes it would reset itself completely. Having it on Unmineable, it didn't do that. I've got that still going, and it's going in the living room, and it just runs. You don't hear it ramping up and ramping down and sounding like a jet engine. Unmineable, you mine one algorithm, one coin, and get paid out in another. Mining-Dutch merge mines whatever's most profitable at the time and pays you out in whatever. I think it can be harder on the machine and jumping around like that, especially if you're using GPUs, because it's not just an ASIC platform. It's got obviously all the SHA-256, but Kapow is over there, SkyDoge, VertHash. Okay, so it's a lot of ASIC. Kapow's over there. So, I mean, look at the different Kapow coins. They've got AIPG, they've got Paprika, they've got Meowcoin and Neoxa, Raven, Satox, all of the good Kapow coins that we've come to know and love. If you set it up that way, you don't have to set it up that way, but if you set it up that way, you'll get the most profit out of it. And you know what? If these things are sitting in the garage, just running, maybe that's not a big deal to you. I have some in the house, again, helping to keep the place warm, and that gets annoying. So that extra, 8-10% in crypto may not be as important to you as keeping a consistent, output on your machines or input on your machines, however you want to look at it. I'm almost to the point where ready to take these S19s offline completely. I don't know. I'm ready to have a month off from this insane power bill. I've got about as much Doge as I want to get for this cycle. That being said, if you do want to use Unmineable, there's a referral code here when you're putting in your wallet address and worker name and all of that good stuff. At the very end there, if you do #Geek, you'll save 0.25% on your mining fee, and I get a little kickback from it as well, which pays in Doge, and I appreciate it, if that's something you're interested in. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video and you learned something today, hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this much of a difference getting paid out using Mining-Dutch, profit switching the algorithm that you're on and getting paid out in whatever, versus just a consistent, I'm always mining Bitcoin, I'm always getting paid out in Doge, no kind of weird profit switching or ramping up and ramping down. Do you feel like it really makes much of a difference on the machine that's running? I don't know, let me know. And if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, consider subscribing to the channel for more like it. And of course, thanks for watching.